There are thousands of programs out there to manage images, add text and special effects to images or graphics. Software to create logos, art, and other graphics for your website. You can buy programs like Adobe Photoshop for $2,500 or even cheaper image programs for under $25. Each program does its own thing, and more often than not, they're almost impossible to learn to use. But at pageBuzz.com, we have an image composite tool right on the website. So you can add text, logos, build complex composite images, and save them on your pages. Take a look at this demonstration of the Image Composite Builder. The Image Composite tool will let you add text or graphics to existing images. Now you may be wondering what value that has to you in building a website. Let's say you want to build a slideshow. You can create complex images, such as this image slide, where we've added text and a couple women to the background. We can create images with graphics or banners that have messages to your customers. You can also create title spaces for the top of your website. And you can use blank images and add pieces like this car or this street sign or this auto sales text. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how you can do this using our Image Composite tool. First, we have to select an image. So we click on Change Image, and we select an image that we've added to the gallery through one of the uploads. We're going to use this picture of this fishing lure and add some text to it. We're calling it the Nimbus 2000. So we want to add a title that says Nimbus 2000. Type in the name, and then we can select some colors. We want to put a border around the text. We'll do a small border in black, so we select the black for the border, and that'll put the color in here. And then we select the font color. I like to do it around the same color as the fishing lure. We'll try to match that up as close as we can. Then we select a font, and we'll just use a basic Arial italic. You can select from over 20,000 different fonts and add them to the gallery so you can use them to add text. When we click the Submit button, it'll add the title that we can move around here and add to our picture. Go ahead and shrink it down. We'll size it so that it fits and move it around where we want to put it. We'll put it down here. Now we're having a sale, so we'd like to add a special offer. We have some art in our gallery. Click on that. You see it comes into the page. Again, we can move it around and add it to the picture. And we can size that. Maybe put it up here. Also want to add a price. Let's add a price in red and black. Again, we add text. We'll do $1.99, which is going to be our sale price. We want to have a black border this time, so we'll select black, which is there. And we'll put red in as the text. And we'll just go into the color selector, create a layer of red, and we'll use Arial Bold this time. Submit it. It puts in the price. And again, we can resize that price, move it around. If we decide we want to move this over here, maybe size it down a little bit, put this over here for the price, and then we would save the image. It's that easy to create complex images using other images and text for your website. This is the same process we use to build the front page of pageBuzz.com. Now this picture that you see has a few more pictures in it, a little more text, and it's a little more complex to put together. But you can use the same tool to accomplish the same look and get the same effects that all the professional websites are using. Now let's have a little fun with this picture and these people in an office. You see it's kind of plain, there's some extra space, and we want to add some things to that. Let's go ahead and upload an image from our computer. We're going to upload a picture of a sandwich, and we're going to put that on the table. You can size it down again, depending on how big you want to make it. We're just going to put it over here by this guy. And we want to add a cup of coffee. We'll go down, here's a Google Plus cup that we have in our gallery. I think we have a cup that's a Twitter cup. Now, obviously that's too big. We'll scale it down, make it just the right size so this guy can have that in front of him. Let's say we want to put a message up here. We'll add some text like sales meeting. And again, we can put that, scale it down so it fits on the board. Put that up there. We could put more text under here, put things, write things on this board here, put some messages up here. The idea is you can do anything you want with it. Add to pictures, add people into pictures, add images into pictures, and have fun with it and make your website special.